Jai Sriman-Narayana.
So much of joy and happiness and excitement. Sumantra is addressing Raja, Dasharatha Maharaja. Please come out. Everybody is waiting for you. Let us all go ahead and do Rama Pattabhishekam. Like that, while addressing Dasharatha Maharaju, Sumantra entered inside the Antahpuram. Sumantra is coming to awake Dasharatha Maharaju. Sumantra entered Dasharatha Maharaju's palace, saying that, praising Raja like this, "O Raja, you please get up, as and how Devendra enjoys. You also should get up and get ready and please come out just like Devendra, as your son Rama is getting Pattabhishekam done. O Raja, for Sri Rama Pattabhishekam, all the arrangements are done. Great Brahmarshi Vasishtha Maharshi, along with other Acharyas, along with all the citizens, waiting outside your palace. O Raja, please come." When Sumantra started praising Dasharatha Maharaju like this, Dasharatha Maharaju's grief and pain is increasing more and more. And because he has been thinking all night that how can I send Rama to the forest? He did not have any sleep. Raja did not have any sleep. Because of no sleep, because of continuously he is crying all through the night, his eyes got so much red. With those kind of reddish eyes, he turned to Sumantra and started saying to Sumantra like this, "Oh Sumantra, my heart already got into pieces and pieces with all the words spoken by Kaikeyi throughout the night. Now your words causing more and more pain to me." Like that, suddenly, all of a sudden, when Dasharatha Maharaju spoke like that to Sumantra, Sumantra got stunned and got shocked. Immediately, Sumantra moved away from Dasharatha Maharaju after seeing Dasharatha Maharaju's situation and after seeing Dasharatha Maharaju's eyes. Sumantra moved away and Sumantra did not have any words to speak. He could not speak a single word. So also Dasharatha Maharaju could not speak a single word. Both were got paused. At that time, Kaikeyi is saying that, "O Sumantra, all through the night, Dasharatha Maharaju, with so much of happiness about Rama Pattabhishekam, he did not even sleep. Now slowly he is getting into sleep. So do not disturb him and don't think otherwise also. Just go and get Rama over here. Come on, do not delay." Like that, Kaikeyi ordered Sumantra. Then Sumantra felt a little bit relaxed because at least Rama Pattabhishekam is not got disturbed. So he felt relieved from that shock, and now to bring Rama to this palace, Sumantra came out of Dasharatha Maharaju's palace with meditation upon Sita Ramachandra Swami. And let us now sing the glory of Sita Ramachandra Swami, which is suggested by most compassionate our Paramasiva. Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama రామ రామ దశరథ రామ హే హే రాజా రామ హే హే రాజా రామ హే హే సీతారామ హే హే సీతారామ. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.